All right, this is the elevator at Neiman Marcus. This, I'm pretty sure, used to be a series 1, but it got modernized. There's like really, like there's like some like 12-year-old videos when it was a series 1. Okay. But it's modernized. Yep, it's got the 80s, 90s Otis logo. This thing smells like hydro fluid. I like how they replaced the lantern with the exact same lantern, but in blue. What the heck? Why is it flashing? Strange. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Alright then. Anyway, here are your fixtures. Yeah, I don't know why the down arrow flashes, but the up arrow's fine. That's must be some strange little electronic problem. That is going to be it.